so today we're going to go over our colour science range really briefly, and we are going to use Lily as an example, as you have just had a modified Jesner's peel about a week ago now for your acne, slightly problematic skin, and we're just going to show clients how easy it is to use our colour science range. So very quickly I'm going to apply a primer just to the face, which clients can use, just to give that foundation, that smooth base before we apply our compacts and things. And then we'll apply a little bit of the tint, du Soleil, the compact powder, some bronzer, a little bit of eye and makeup as well, and we'll finish off with a really nice lip gloss, which will just kind of be the icing on the cake. All right?
So while you're doing the Aisha, can I just ask you a few questions?
Of course, yes.
Yeah, so what is the main difference between medical grade mineral makeup and the well-known brands from our high street?
Okay, so with Colour Science that we stock here at Skin Perfection London, it's pure mineral, which means it's very safe to use post-procedure straight away. There's no preservatives, talc, dyes, anything that clogs up the skin, and that's why it's so important to use a medical grade one post-procedure, or just in general to keep the skin as healthy as it can be.
Okay, so why is it particularly important for Lily to use the Colour Science over her usual makeup she's already used to? You just mentioned she had a peel recently.
Yeah, so not only does it give good coverage, Colour Science, it protects the skin at the same time, so it has SPF in it, and like I said before, it doesn't have any harsh talc, dyes, preservatives that blocks the pores. And obviously if you're a client that suffers with any skin conditions, whether it's acne, rosacea, sensitized skin, or just general skin, and you want to use a good range that's not going to cause further problems, general lines have a lot of nasty ingredients which you don't really know about, such as talc, dyes, preservatives, thing that just blocks up the skin. And obviously if you're spending a lot of money on your skincare and your products, you need to be using things that keep the skin healthy and clear, so you don't keep going around in circles.
Okay, so with your clients, when they have a skin or laser treatment, are they suitable to use Colour Science makeup straight away?
Absolutely, straight away. So we have it in clinic. So if patients are coming in between on their lunch break, or they're going out, as soon as we've done a peel, a laser treatment, even hair removal, it's so safe, so pure that we can apply it straight away, and it actually aids the healing of the skin. So if they have redness, it's actually going to speed up that calming process and calming down any inflammation. So there we've just applied a primer, a little bit of tint to smooth the skin out, and our compact powder. If you just have a quick look in that mirror, Lily, how does that colour look?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Great, really quick, easy to use. So for mums on the go, people who are working, it's fantastic because you literally can apply this so quickly. And it's great because they have their own brushes, the kabuki brushes, which are lovely because you can use that for your compact powders and also your bronzing, or your blushes, which is the ones I'm using now. Compact powders that can last up to 3 months. The blushes last a little bit longer. They can last anything from 3 months to 5 months, depending on how often you're using them. But the mineral is such a high grade, so the pigments are very strong, and you can pick out the best colours for all skin types.
Beautiful. And so if patients never tried Colour Science before, but would be obviously interested but not sure regarding the colouring and the products itself, what would you advise them?
So I would just advise to pop in. You don't need to book a treatment at all or a consultation. Literally it will just be as easy as popping. Obviously ideally if you don't have makeup on, it's great. We can just colour match, see what consistency is better for you, whether you prefer powders or creams, or if you like them both together, and we'll colour match the best colour for you. I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow now. These are great, these are like palettes on the go, which you can just use your fingers even rather than brushes, and just press them into the eyes. And again, so nice because you've got colours for the day, colours for the evening, or if you like to get that smoky look, you can use different colours and blend them together. And I just always like to use my fingers because I just get on faster. It's all about convenience really, so as long as you've got nice clean hands. on there. And obviously for clients or patients that prefer brushes, they can always use the brushes. So I'm just going to place that on the eyes.
It does look really natural, and doesn't look heavy at all.
Not heavy,
So,
it doesn't
yeah.
feel heavy, and it's so important because you've got the SPF 30 coverage, and actually some of the powders they do are 50. Even their lip balms, again, pure mineral, lip glosses, high glosses, they have SPF in them. So for patients who have quite sensitive lips, or if they're going on holiday, they want to prevent them from burning, or if they have cold sores, which actually with the sun exposure, it kind of accelerates them coming out. If they've got them on, it just prevents all of those things, and obviously primarily the aging concerns and preventing cancer and all the other things that we don't want happening on the skin. And just finish off with a little bit of their mascara, which is great. Have a nice thick brush. And a little bit of lip balm. So we've got all different colours. I'm going to use champagne on you today, Lily. And Lily, like we said, has had a Jesner's literally 1 week ago, and her skin looks absolutely amazing, smooth, and literally I've only applied a little bit of powder, a little bit of, as you could see, a little bit of tint on there. She's not got any heavy powder or foundation on, and it's just easy as those steps. So yeah.
Wonderful. So if a patient would like to try and have a colour match, what number they can reach us on?
So our telephone number is 0207 629 4116. And of course they can email if they check out our website as well. It's skinperfectionlondon.co.uk.
Perfect. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you, Lily.
Thank you.